blush highlighter palette is literally amazing. It's blinding. Oh my god, look at this right now. You guys see this? This is on camera, you guys. This is on camera. Look, like I haven't done anything. I just washed my face, put the serum on, I put the face cream. Guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Like since the beginning of the year, I got kind of obsessed with my new channel. It's called EllieArket Scary Stories. And I've been writing the script, researching and just like putting it together and then hiring people that do the voiceover. And it looks like a little film, like 21 videos on it. And it has like 7,000 views on it already, like, which is amazing. So that channel is gonna blow up big time. I just know it. And then my ASMR channel is insane. Like literally I could make a 2-minute video saying I'm a vampire and I'm gonna eat your face and it gets like 10,000 views. It's insane. I want to just say, you know, this channel was really created for me to showcase my makeup and skincare because I sell them and I need people to buy them. That's how I support myself, and then that's how I can like get the brand be seen. Like if you guys buy the lipsticks or the skincare or the hair serum or the face cream or whatever, and then someone sees you, you can be like, oh, EllieArket Cosmetics, and that way people can come to the website and buy it. Today I'm just going to do a quick look. I think I'm going to do kind of like a vampy dark look. If you guys are new here, I'm sorry, I'm babbling. My name is EllieArket. I'm a psychic medium. I'm a manifestation mindset coach and also founder of EllieArket Cosmetics. 2023, I didn't add any new products, but in 2024, I want to start adding some more products. I have a 24 karat collagen soap. This is for face and body. This is fucking amazing. I wanted to create something because I hate when I wash my face and then my face gets tight. I hate that feeling. So when you wash your face and body with this is collagen, 24 karat gold collagen. You're gonna get rid of blemishes, acne scars, age spots, sunspots, clears your skin, cleanses your skin from pollution, air pollution, makeup, the toxicity of the air. Like it's amazing for your face and body. A 24 karat collagen serum and a 24 karat collagen night serum. The night serum is a thicker consistency. It has gold in it. And basically they both do the same thing. The serum feels like a toner. It's like watery and you just like put it in your hand, you pat it on. I'm going to do it right now. The night serum is a thicker consistency. So when you put it on, you have to kind of wait for it to get absorbed into the skin. Both amazing, and you need to use both. The face cream, this is a 24 karat collagen, retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. Products are clean, cruelty-free, vegan, organic, and very clean. And this gives you hydration for like 8 hours. It's insane. So, this lathers so beautifully, and you're gonna see just after washing my face, I don't want to get on my rope, but like after washing my face, you're gonna see my skin is gonna look different, like instantly. This is like instant manifestation. This soap is insane. Look at my skin from washing my face with this soap. I'm like, it's like magic. My products are literally like magic. So when you put it, you just go like that and you just pat it on. Now this is super hydrating. It smells clean. It smells, I love the way the face cream smells. This is on camera, you guys. This is on camera. Look, like I haven't done anything. I just washed my face, put the serum on, I put the face cream, and this is the result. If you want to buy a skincare system that is going to really help your skin, my products are it. I don't know anyone's products out there that's going to do this to your skin. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to slap this red one all over my lids. My stuff is vegan and is cruelty free because I love animals. I use my own eyelashes because I'm allergic to like the regular ones that people sell. This is vegan. This is handmade from silk. it already looks so amazing. Like the eyelashes definitely finish the look. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this powder that I use, which is amazing. It's Chanel. It says 22 Beige Rose. So it comes with a sponge thing. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. And I'm just gonna go under my eye. The sponge is so squishy and amazing. I love it so much. I got this contour palette. It's from e.l.f. And just make sure it's not crazy looking. So just like a little bit, nothing too crazy. Like I told you guys, my blush highlighter, I've been using the same palette for like 3 years. Buy that, you're like literally don't have to ever buy blush and highlighter again. Yeah, like if you buy my blush highlighter palette, literally you're not gonna have to ever, like this is too much right now on my forehead. Oh my god, look at this right now. You guys see this? My blush highlighter palette is literally amazing. It's blinding. All right, so the blush and the highlighter are done, and I'm gonna do my lipstick, and I'm gonna do my favorite lipstick. I've named this Ritual. It's a dark burgundy plum. I don't have to use a lip liner, but I'm just gonna use my favorite lip liner, which is LA Girl in Berry Wine. No, I think a gloss would be really pretty too. I don't know what to do. I think I just want to go for it and just do Ritual. I've named this shade Ritual. This is literally stunning. It's very dark and vampy, so I'm going to put this on. It's so beautiful. I'm going to look at the vanity and do it. So this is Ritual. Well, this is the look of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to watch. I want to do the same video every day, so we have a theme. Do you guys want true crime and makeup? Do you want like relationship stuff? Should I talk about like marriage, relationships, spirituality? Like, what do you guys want to watch? Like, I'm down with that. Okay, so let me know. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys are interested in my products, my skincare, my makeup, everything's on my website, EllieArket.com. If you guys want to book a session with me for tarot, coaching, spiritual stuff, EllieArket.com. Everything's there. When you go to the website, it'll say book here, shop here. You click on it. For services, that's how you book me, and for shop, that's how you guys can purchase the products. Anyways, thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. I want to do these videos every day like I used to. Hopefully. Okay, see you guys. Bye.